Hello dear friends, myself is Roshni Parikh and today I am going to discuss about the class F commutations of an SCR. Now in a previous section I have discussed about the commutations and the classifications of the commutations. If you want to recall, then just go to the YouTube inbox and search for the commutations of SCR by the Roshni Parikh and you will get the link. Now today I am going to discuss about the class F commutations of an SCR in a brief. Now what is the commutations? Commutations, as we know that the process of turning of an SCR or a thyristor, that is called the commutations. Now in a commutations, basically there are two types of commutations are there, a natural commutations and a forced commutation. Now natural commutations means what? Okay, when the SCR is going to be operated on a AC supply, at that time what will happen? Okay, during the positive half cycle, when you are going to get pulse to the gate terminal, at that time SCR is comes into the conduction mode and SCR starts to conducting, and during the negative half cycle SCR is going to be off automatically by natural tendency of the AC wave. That is the called a natural commutation. Now in a class F commutations, that is the belongs from the natural commutation. Now let's discuss the class F commutations in a brief. See here one circuit, class F commutation circuit is a given. Here input supply, that is the AC supply, and here SCR is connected which is in series with the load, and my load is a resistive load. For an example, here a resistive load is connected. So that is the circuit for the class F commutation. SCR is connected here, SCR is connected in series with the resistive load. Now what will happen? So see here my VS that is the supply voltage, and supply voltage that is the AC type. AC means AC having a sinusoidal wave. So input supply, here waveforms are there, and VS that is the supplied voltage. So waveform will be like this, AC waves are there. So input that is the AC wave, and each cycle contains the two half cycle, positive half cycle, negative half cycle, and period of cycle means 0 to 2 pi. So here a pi, then here a 3 pi, here a 4 pi. Now during the positive half cycle, what will happen? Here a positive and here a negative. So anode of the SCR is getting the positive, so and cathode which is getting a negative. So now SCR is a forward bias. SCR is now a forward bias. Means what? SCR that is in a forward blocking state. Means SCR is a forward bias but still not allows the flow of a current through it, as there is a absent, gate is a absent or a gate is a insufficient. Now when you are going to give a gate pulse, means SCR is a trigger by applying a gate pulse. If I say my firing angle, that is the alpha. If I say my firing angle, that is the alpha, at an angle of a alpha I am giving a gate pulse at an angle of a alpha. At an angle of alpha, alpha is a firing angle, I am giving a gate pulse to the SCR. So what will happen? SCR is going to be trigger and going to be comes into the forward conduction mode. So at an angle of a alpha, here a alpha. So during the each and every positive cycle at an angle of a alpha, I am giving a gate pulse. It is the angle alpha. It is the angle of alpha. So alpha, that is the firing angle. Alpha, that is the firing angle of SCR. Firing angle of SCR. So at an angle of alpha during the positive half cycle, at an angle of alpha, see here, at an angle of alpha, SCR is a fired or a SCR is a triggered by applying a gate pulse. So what will happen? Now SCR is comes into the forward conduction mode, means it's a reverse bias junction J2 there is a avalanche breakdown of the reverse bias junction J2. So all these junctions of the SCR J1, J2 and J3 are the forward bias, and now SCR is comes into the forward conduction mode and SCR is now in a on state. So what will happen, your current is load current is flow from positive through SCR through load resistance through the negative, means SCR allows the flow of a current from your source to the load. So you will get the output voltage. So you will get the output voltage VO, that is the output voltage across the load resistor. Now here a load resistor means load is the purely resistive type. So my load resistor waveform will be like that. Okay, here you will get the at angle of a alpha, you will get the output voltage, controlled output voltage. So you will get the controlled output voltage at an angle of a alpha. So at an angle of a alpha, SCR is going to be triggered. So what will happen, SCR is now conducting mode, now in the conduction mode. So current starts from the starts to flow from the source to the load, and you will get the output voltage, and output voltage means the voltage across the load. So here you will get the waveform which is like that. From 0 to alpha there is a no waveform as the SCR is a forward blocking state. So SCR in a off state. So there is a no output at from 0 to alpha degree. Now at that time what will happen, now during the negative half cycle, means at the end of a positive half cycle, your current decays to zero value, means attains the zero value, means the anode current is decays to zero value, and when anode current is going to below to the holding current, then what will happen, your SCR is again comes into the forward blocking state, and SCR is a now a reverse bias, and during the negative half cycle, a reverse voltage is applied. During the negative half cycle what will happen, here a negative and here a positive. So here a negative and here a positive, anode getting a negative and cathode getting a positive. So reverse voltage is applied across the SCR, and as the reverse voltage applied across the SCR, your SCR is going to be off, means act as the open switch. So there is a no current is flowing from the source to load, so there is a no output, you don't get any output voltage across the load. So you don't get any output. So during the negative half cycle there is a no output. See here I am drawing by the green line, there is a no output at the during the negative half cycle. So here a VT that is the voltage across the thyristor or a voltage across the SCR. You can write a VS also, voltage across the SCR. So voltage across the SCR is like that. Okay, during when the SCR is a on state, at that time there is a no output. When the SCR is a off state, at that time negative half cycle is seems across the SCR, then it is like that. Negative half cycle, it is the voltage across the thyristor. So hope you understood what is the class F commutation. Class F commutation, that is the belongs from the natural commutations when the SCR is operated on the AC supply, means the input of the SCR, that is the AC type. And here for example I have taken the load, that is the purely resistive type. And class F commutations is also known as the line commutation, Class F commutation, that is also known as the line commutation. So hope you understood. Thank you.